What if your makeup could do more than just look good? What if it nourished, protected, and enhanced your skin with everywhere? Introducing the Skin Functional Primer Collection. 5 expertly formulated skincare meets makeup solutions designed to elevate your beauty routine. First up, meet the Hydra Splash Primer, a clear jelly formula that wraps your skin in lasting hydration. Packed with niacinamide to boost skin resilience, polyglutamic acid for deep moisturization, and trimethylglycine, a natural sugar beet extract that keeps your skin hydrated and balanced. Perfect for all skin types, including dry and sensitive skin. This primer creates a smooth, flake-free base and enhances makeup longevity while nourishing your skin. Next, let your skin glow from within with the Illumination Glow Primer. This luminous formula delivers hydration with sodium hyaluronate, energizes the skin with orange fruit extract, and smooth texture thanks to a boost of skin-loving humectants. A weightless primer that leaves a dewy, healthy finish, ideal for dull or tired skin that needs a wake-up call. Say hello to the ultimate base with our Perfection Primer. This smoothing gel creates a soft focus effect with silica, absorbing excess oil and reducing shine, all while prepping your skin for long-lasting makeup wear. Enriched with cucumber extract and multi-weight hyaluronic acids, it delivers hydration where needed while maintaining a shine-free, refined finish. Protect and perfect with the Sun-Kissed Primer SPF 50. This multitasking formula offers broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection, while calming and restoring the skin barrier with bisabolol, lactobacillus ferment, and ginger extract. A feather-light texture with a glowy finish. This primer shields your skin from sun damage, pollution, and premature aging while gripping makeup beautifully. Finally, the Velvet Corrector Primer, your secret to flawless blurred perfection. Powered by aloe vera for calm, hydrated skin and elastomer technology for a silky, soft focus finish. With specialist texturizing powders and a luxurious rich texture, this primer delivers a smooth canvas that feels as good as it looks. Whether you're glowing, hydrating, mattifying, or protecting, there's a primer that does more than just prime. It treats, it protects, and it performs. Functional makeup that works as hard as your skincare, because beauty should be smart. Functional makeup powered by Skin Functional. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.